Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks for dropping in. We appreciate your time and we certainly hope that this video is helpful in the search for your next pre-owned vehicle. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Sentra SV. It's very nicely equipped and in excellent condition. It's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax and it has about 23,000 miles and is still under factory warranty. As you can see, it has a gray cloth interior that is immaculate, and it has front bucket seats and room for 3 passengers in back. Looking up front, we see that it's very nicely equipped in the way of convenience items, such as a very nice audio system that features AM, FM, CD, MP3, and auxiliary inputs. Plus, it has Bluetooth integration for your cell phone. Plus, it has power windows, power door locks, power side view mirrors, cruise control, and so much more. Give us a call today at 615-224-8314 and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We'll see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, the home of the lifetime warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.